Right now we're in winter, and the next season we're in is spring. Like, you can see that this bud is blooming a little. It's starting to bloom.
Buds are on the trees right now, and they're going to turn into something.
And buds are actually very beautiful.
So having Central Park so close to MCS has allowed us to use it as a second classroom. We are able to just experience nature firsthand through the changes that are happening in Central Park, like observing buds, observing stems that will eventually bloom into flowers, making predictions about what will happen, noticing changes as they go on. Today with our 5-6s, I wanted them to notice the buds that are forming on the trees. I specifically wanted them to notice the trees, like generally in the area where they usually play. I think a lot of science and exploring at this age is just noticing the changes around them. So science in lower school at MCS can look so many different ways. We utilize Central Park and we utilize nature a lot, and I think that is the key throughout all the grades. And I think the important thing as well is that it's hands-on and also relevant to their lives.
Because scientists record their observations all the time, okay?
Today with our 6-7s, we used Play-Doh to form different rock types. The 6-7s were already introduced to the different rock types and what happens and how they form, but the idea is so intangible for them because of the way rocks change. It's over the course of millions of years and over time, and it's not like we can really experience rocks changing or see them in real time. So we used Play-Doh as a model to kind of be the nature that enforces the changes. This is my first year teaching science, and it's been so easy just because of how much kids are interested in it. And I think that's just an MCS thing. They are just, great naturalists, great observers. It's really cool to see how they grow as scientists and people who study science.